So confusion matrix is nothing but it is basically a table which shows us that okay, how well our classification or how well our machine learning model is performing. Understood? So basically there are 4 quadrants in a confusion matrix. Okay. First one is true positive, then true negative, false negative and false positive. Okay. Now let's just forget all these quadrants and try to focus on a very simple example, which is what? Let's suppose you are suffering from symptoms of dengue. Okay. Let's suppose there is a person who is suffering from symptoms of dengue. Okay. So that particular person went to a doctor. Okay. The doctor has predicted that okay, after looking at your symptoms and according to my analysis or according to my expertise, I think you have a dengue. Okay. But to be 100% sure, to be 100% sure, you should get a blood test. Okay. You should get tested for dengue. Understood? Then you went to a particular lab technician and you have undergone a dengue test. Okay. Then you get the report. Okay. Doctor predicted. Please be very careful in understanding this. Doctor predicted that okay, yes, according to me, you are having a dengue or dengue in English, and when we are getting the blood test report, then also the blood test report suggests that okay, we are dengue or that particular person is dengue positive. Understood? So doctor predicted dengue positive, blood test reports dengue positive. Predicted and actual value are same, right? So this particular case will be lying under the quadrant true positive case. Understood? This particular case will be lying under the quadrant true positive case. Understood? Then there comes patient number 2. Okay. That particular person is also having the symptoms of dengue. That particular person went to the same doctor. Okay. But after analyzing or according to the expertise of the doctor said, no, you don't have dengue according to me. But to be double sure or to be 100% sure, you should get a blood test. Okay. So doctor predicted here as no. The predicted value is no. That okay, no, you don't have dengue according to me. But please get a blood test to be double sure. Okay. After getting the blood test reports, okay, you have turned out to be dengue negative. Okay. The blood test reports also says that you don't have the dengue. So the predicted value is having a no and actual value is also having a no or a negative. Then if predicted and actual are both matching and having a no, then that particular case will be lying under the quadrant true negative. Are you able to understand? Earlier doctor predicted yes, blood test reports yes, positive. So predicted and actual are having yes, the case was lying under true positive. Here predicting is no, the blood test reports are also negative or no. So predicted no, actual no. So it's a case of true negative. Understood? Then what happens? The third patient is there. Okay. Third patient went to the same doctor. After looking at the symptoms of the third patient, doctor tell that okay, you have dengue according to me, but to be double sure, please get a blood test. Understood? Please get a blood test. After getting the blood test reports turned out to be negative. Doctor predicted positive you have a dengue, but blood test reports turned out to be negative. Okay. So this particular person, when predicting is yes, is positive, and actual is no or negative, then this particular case is lying under the quadrant false positive. That doctor has falsely predicted positive. Understood? Then the fourth patient went to the same doctor. This time doctor said, no, according to your symptoms, according to my expertise, you don't have a dengue, but to be double sure, please get a blood test. Okay, you don't have a dengue, but please get a blood test. Okay, then you went under a blood test, and in blood test, you have got a positive value for dengue. So you have got a positive value for dengue. So predicted value was what? Negative, but actual value is positive. Doctor predicted you don't have dengue, but actually the blood test reports are saying that you are having dengue. This particular person or this particular patient or this particular case is lying under the category of false negative. So I think you guys are able to understand this particular all four quadrants with the help of this very simple example, that when actual and predicted value are positive, it's a true positive case. When actual and predicted values are negative, it's a true negative case. When predicted value is positive and actual value is negative, then it's a false positive case. When predicted value is negative and actual value is positive, then it's a false negative case.